video, I will talk about the importance of creating an outstanding personal presentation to stand out from the crowd of candidates when looking for a job abroad. Before we begin, let's remember how people perceive information based on which they make decisions. Some people perceive what is happening better through what they see, some through what they hear, and some prefer to read text or analyze numbers. Therefore, an effective presentation of yourself as a job candidate should combine visual elements for visuals, logical chronology for kinesthetics, and audio fragments for audios. HR professionals review hundreds of resumes every day. How to make your resume stand out from the rest? It is important to use all three types of information transmission and perception. For kinesthetics, use a logical sequence with facts and figures. Use an interesting presentation of information in the form of infographics and timelines. Structured data and logical sequence can work in your favor if your resume is being reviewed by someone who perceives information through numbers and text. For HR managers who are focused on visual impressions, create a presentation with bright visuals, focusing on beautiful design and structure. For visuals, it is important to provide the most detailed image of you as a professional. A close-up, a sincere smile, and a confident posture will create an ultra-positive visual impression. Even if the job does not require it, present yourself in a short video. In such a video, tell a little about yourself, your motivation for the position, and supplement your resume with interesting information or facts. Your first impression is the key. Show yourself on camera as best as you can, just like in the photo with your shoulders straight and a sincere smile. Do not forget that your facial expressions, gestures, and intonations also play a role. This helps to show your energy and create the impression you need with the employer without the influence of stress from the first meeting. Use tools like Canva or PictoShart to create visual slides and your regular phone camera to record video and audio clips. You can also edit any media files in InShot. You can host such a video, for example, in the cloud. You can find a list of free platforms where you can store such a video presentation at the link in the attached materials. Send the link to the video presentation along with your resume for audibly perceiving HR managers. And especially for you, my dear job seeker, I have created a cool one-page personal presentation template that you can download at the link in the materials on my website. So, try using any of the tools in the materials on my website to create a personal presentation, taking into account the different preferences of people's perception of information. Remember that every detail can play a decisive role in your success. Good luck!